Hello guys, it's me Sudeep, and today in this video I'm going to teach you how you can download this theme for free. You can see the real rate of this theme is $59, but don't worry, I'm going to teach you how you can download this theme for free, and it's an original product. I'm going to give you this theme for free, so please make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so you will never miss any new update. And if you want anything for free, or if you want I make a video for anything, please comment. I will make a video for that too. Okay, let's start the video. Okay, first of all, click on the link given in the description below. Here you can see this theme. Click on free download. After clicking on that, click on here. Again, wait until it generates the download link. After that, click on the download link. You will see the ad. Just close it. Wait for some time. Okay. Here you can see proceed to download. Click on that. After that, again down. Click on I am not a robot. After that, click on start downloading. Just cancel this ad. Again, click on start downloading. After that, you can see here your file is downloading. This is how you can download this theme for free. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon